My parents wanted the best for me and my brother, so we decided to come to the United States for the American dream.
I would never talk about my heritage. I didn't have pride in myself, whether as a Latino or as an immigrant.
I remember telling my mom that I was a permanent resident, and she was like, no, you're not.
La razón que decidí venir a este país fue más que nada porque, pues, me robaron a mi hija.
La razón por la que me vine, pues, fue por la transfobia, la homofobia. Por eso estoy aquí, por eso tuve que salir huyendo de mi país, porque mi vida corría peligro.
This is our home. The earth is home.
It's where I've grown up, so it's hard for me to feel like there's any other place where I belong.
My hope for the future, my hope that we will get to a place where this country loves and affirms the existence of each and every one of us. We're a part of the fabric of this country. Every single person, regardless if they're undocumented, if they were born here, deserves to be able to live with dignity.